The Accelevents event ticketing overview. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your event so that you can start selling tickets immediately. To start, you'll select the event ticketing option and then click Next. On the event details page, you'll be able to customize everything from your event name and web address all the way down to the event start date and end date, as well as the location of your event. If this is an online-only event, you can turn on the online-only toggle and we won't ask for your address. In the next page, you'll be able to add your tickets. So in terms of ticket types, you have three different options. You can either have a paid ticket type, a free ticket, or a donation. This would allow someone to submit a donation while they're purchasing their ticket. So in this case, I'll add a new ticket type. See, what you can do is add the ticket name, quantity available for those tickets, and the price for that ticket. Paid ticket type. I'll update each of those. Everything will save automatically here. And then what you'll see is that you can add some more details around the ticket type. You may have a description that you want to add in here. You may want to change the way that the fees are charged for the ticket. So in terms of the Accelevents ticketing fees, as well as our payment processing fees, you can either choose to absorb those fees or pass the fees on to your buyer. You'll see each option available here. Once you set the fee settings, you can then choose the sales start and end date for the ticket. So you may have different ticket types that you want to go on sale at different times leading up to your event. Finally, you'll be able to determine the number of tickets allowed per order for a certain ticket type, as well as if that is a type of bundled ticket. So for the most part, you'll sell individual tickets and then people can choose to select a certain amount of those tickets. But you can also create bundles, whether it's for a table, maybe a sponsorship, or just a general block of tickets, so that for each order, someone will be required to purchase a certain amount of tickets. Once you've selected all these settings, your tickets are ready to go. You can also add new ticket types at any point, which I'll show you in a later video. So once you've added your tickets, you can go to the next page, and this is where you will design your event website. On the left, you'll see different things that you can change. So your event logo, maybe the theme for your page, as well as headlines, descriptions, or any sponsor sections you have. On the right, you'll see a full rendering of your page, which will update as you make any changes here. For example, if I take away the event banner and just want a background color, that will update automatically. I may want to change the color of my page. So change the background color to red. I can change that, and you'll see that this will update as well. So once you've gone about and updated your event page, you can click Done, and you'll be brought to our admin console. This is where you'll be able to monitor the performance of your ticket sales, add any new ticket types, or make any adjustments to orders as they come in.